So I'm going to go on the Glimmerglass Queen. This will be my second time on it. I think it's one of the most beautiful 1-hour cruises you can go on. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. Cooperstown, New York is it's like a little mini Adirondacks, surrounded by hills that look like mountains. And this is Otsego Lake, otherwise known as Glimmerglass Lake, named by James Fenimore Cooper. And it is the birthplace, the origin of the Susquehanna River. The Susquehanna River is one of the oldest rivers in the world. It's really fascinating, with a lot of fossils and that kind of thing. And the Susquehanna River empties into the Chesapeake Bay. So we're in the kind of almost like Catskills, the foothills of the Catskills in New York, but the river that originates here empties into Chesapeake Bay. Just fascinating. So let's go enjoy this again on this beautiful day. Here's a little secret. If you take the Glimmerglass Queen, I know everybody likes to go up top, stay on the bottom and come out right here. There's a place to come out from the bottom and just stand and watch it go out. It's the best spot. Tape that tells the story. Up here to the left is where the Susquehanna River begins. She told about how it has like a 400-foot drop before it, I imagine that's a gradual drop, before it reaches the Chesapeake Bay in Maryland. Oh, you're fine. We're going to come up on Rapunzel's castle.
Come on down and catch the wave down at the bar.
See if she lets down her hair this time. About this cruise is that it looks wild. I mean, there's not a lot of houses and mansions on the water. It's just a lot of forested area, forested hills, you know, with they have black bears down here and everything that comes in the northern woods. With the exception of moose. There's no moose, but